Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about an amazing creative tool called Freepik, and especially its powerful feature known as Freepik Spaces. So, what is Freepik Spaces? Think of it as your own creative workspace where you can make images, videos, and content all in one place without any confusion. Let me show you how it works. First, you can start completely from scratch. Just click on the New Space button and Freepik will open a fresh workspace for you. This is your main page, and from here, your creative journey begins. Now, the process is very simple. You just need to choose your first node to start creating. On the screen, you'll see multiple options like Stock, where you can search and use stock images and videos media, where all your uploaded files are stored. Image Generator, to create AI images from text prompts. Video Generator, to turn ideas into videos. Assistant, to help you with ideas, prompts, and content. Everything is nicely organized, so even beginners can use it easily. For this demo, I'll start with the Image Generator. I will click on the Image Generator feature. As soon as I open it, you can see a clean workflow interface. This is where you describe the image you want to create. You just type your idea in simple words. For example, I will enter this prompt: a beautiful woman standing outdoors in winter, holding a warm coffee cup with gentle steam rising. This is my prompt. Now, I want to generate an image based on this idea. Next, I will select the number of images I want to generate. After that, I'll choose the AI model. Freepik gives you multiple models like Cinematic, Classic, Flux, and more. And the best part is, Nano Banana Pro is also available. This model creates very high quality and realistic images. I will select Nano Banana Pro. Now I will choose the aspect ratio. Then I'll select the resolution and I'll go with 4K for the best quality. Finally, I'll click on the Generate button. After clicking Generate, the processing starts. Just wait for a few seconds. And here you can see, our image is ready. Let's preview it. You can see it created a full 4K quality image exactly according to my prompt. The details, lighting, and overall look are very impressive. If you want, you can download the image in full HD, or you can click on Regenerate to create a new image using the same prompt. And as you can see, a new image version is ready. You can preview all the images you generated and choose the best one. Now, this is not the end. You'll also see Quick Connections options. From here, you can generate another image, convert the image into a video, upscale the image, use the Assistant feature. You also get advanced options like Change Camera. If I click on Change Camera, I can adjust things like camera rotation, vertical angle, zoom level. I can change the camera direction and angle without creating the image again from scratch. After selecting the changes, I'll click Generate, and Freepik will create a new image with updated camera angles. And here you go. The new image is ready. You also get more tools like Edit Image, discover similar images, more creative options. Honestly, this makes image creation very flexible and beginner-friendly. Now, let's move on to the Video Generator. I'll click on the Video Generator feature. Creating videos here is also very simple. First, you need to select a video model. Freepik offers multiple models like Clean, Google V, O 3.1, C Dance 1.5, and more. For this demo, I'll select Google V O 3.1. Now, if you want, you can upload a reference image, or you can directly start by writing your video prompt. After that, you select Aspect Ratio, Video Duration, Resolution. You also have the option to add or remove audio. Once everything is selected, I'll click on Generate. After processing, our video is ready. Let's play it. You can see the result looks very clean and professional. From here, you can download the video, upscale it, extend the video, recreate it, add, lip sync. Now, let's talk about the lip sync feature, which is really powerful. When you click on Lip Sync, you'll find multiple voice options.
In every heart, there's a spark waiting to shine. In every heart, there's a spark.
Kindness sown grows forests of connection.
A single kind word can change the course of someone's day.
You can preview different voices and choose the one you like. After selecting the voice, you simply type the text you want the character to speak. Click on Preview to check it.
This coffee is really amazing, and today's weather is extremely cold.
And once you're satisfied, click Apply. Now just wait a little and Freepik will generate your lip sync video.
This coffee is really amazing, and today's weather is extremely cold.
And here it is. Your video with perfect lip sync is ready. You can export it in full 4K quality if you want. Finally, let's talk about the Assistant feature. The Assistant is a real game changer. With this feature, you can create posters, designs, creative ideas, content concepts. You just need to type what you want. For example, a poster idea or design concept, and the Assistant will help you generate it quickly. Overall, Freepik Spaces makes image creation, video creation, and design work extremely easy, even if you are a beginner. Now let's continue and explore more features step by step. With the Assistant, you can easily create logos, designs, posters, and branding ideas without any design skills. Our logo is ready. You can see how clean and professional it looks. Using this feature, you can create business logos, gaming logos, brand logos, creative design concepts, and the best part is, everything happens inside one space. You don't need any extra tools. So overall, Freepik Spaces is an all-in-one platform where you can generate images, create videos, design logos, use AI Assistant, and manage everything in one place. Now, let's talk about the Freepik Lists feature. If I click on the plus icon, you will see several options appear. From here, I will select the list option and it will open the workspace. In this area, you can organize or list anything you want. For example, you can create a list using text or you can add media files. I will click on Add Media and it will show my previous history, or I can upload files directly from my PC. I will choose a file from my computer and click on Add Media. And it will appear in the workspace. If I want, I can also rename it. For example, I will type Outfit folder as the new name. Next, I will continue the workflow. I will click on the plus icon again and add a text box. Here, I will enter the prompt explaining what I want to create. For example, I will type, create a clean product lookbook photo with premium lighting, studio quality, and realistic fabric details. After entering the prompt, I will click on the text block, and here I will see several options. I will choose the Assistant tab. Once I click on Assistant, a new tab will open where I can improve the prompt. I will select the model, for example, the GPT file, and then click the Generate button. The AI will start working and automatically improve the prompt. After the prompt is improved, I will add another new tab, and this time I will create an Image Generator tab. Then I will connect the Prompt Assistant node to Image 1, and after that, I will connect the Image Generator node to the Outfit tab. Once everything is connected, I will click on the Generate button and the processing will start. Now the system will convert all the images into a professional lookbook style. With studio quality lighting and realistic results. As you can see, these are the final results. This is the list feature of Freepik AI. You should definitely try it, especially the Assistant feature, because it works like an all-in-one tool. It's very simple, beginner-friendly and powerful. You can try it yourself. The link is available in the description. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.